Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is LINOVISION, the PoE company behind every smart connections. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to power different non-PoE devices. Mostly requires 12 volts, 24 volts, or even other multiple different voltages. In dynamic and remote operational environments like construction sites or off-grid security zones, there's no grid, no backup generator, just the sun. And your solar trader keeps night on the field. The entire system runs on solar energy, and a smart PoE network delivering that energy where it's needed the most. For PoE devices like IP cameras, the PoE switch provides clean, stable, and standardized power. Perfectly support all kinds of the PoE equipment in the field. But what about non-PoE devices like routers, control panels, or wireless transmitters, speakers that still need DC 12 or 24 volts? Meet the LINOVISION 1224 Splitter, small, solid, and designed for solar. It takes a single PoE input from your solar network and it gives you exactly what you need. Switchable DC 12 volts or DC 24 volt output clean power for non-PoE devices like cameras, routers, and wireless bridges. The 2025 upgrade now supports gigabit data and a passive PoE output, meaning faster transmission and a broader compatibility. The LINOVISION 1224 Splitter brings versatility to every solar surveillance system, powering non-PoE devices directly from your PoE network. We're going to use the solar PoE switch and 1224 splitter to power a 12-volt speaker and a ubiquity router with passive 24 volts required. Power flows from the solar panel to the upstream solar PoE switch. Then straight from one line powers your 12-volt router and your 24-volt wireless bridge. And with a remote mounted cloud, you can manage or reboot every device remotely.